Introducing, the Challenger 800 and the 1500. The Challenger 800 is designed to install the posts, either by GPS controlled, or manually. The Challenger 1500 is a guardrail placement unit. It's operated by remote control. The Challenger will transport around 2,000 kilograms of rail. The Challenger 800, this will install your posts in less than 60 seconds. Once you have 4 to 5 posts installed, the Challenger can start work. Using the magnetic arm and rotary head, 1500 will place and hold the rail against the posts, at the right height. This will allow the crew to install the bolts without holding the rail. No one has to hold the rail. So no more sore backs. The benefits of the Challenger 1500. You can reduce manpower on site. It's faster to install the rails, and you will reduce injuries on site. By using the combined power of the Challenger 800 and 1500, you will be ahead of the competition. This is another innovation from Groundwork.